Hi!
He's rubbing his head on the window.
That's so cute.
Okay. This is gifts for you.
Can I not hold in the stick?
Yeah, go sit. Just give you. It doesn't matter, you pick. You pick. Really small. It's a ship. A Lego ship.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Wow.
Spaceship.
Spaceship.
This one is more of a entire month gift because we didn't. It's just better this way. I think it's a cool gift.
Oh.
It's an advent calendar.
Wow. Oh, Lego advent.
Yeah, it's like every single day you get a Lego. Instead of getting an entire set, you just get the minifigures. I think it's mostly minifigures.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Asa kulit na kulit na rin.
You have to give him a hug, right?
I'm gonna take my hug.
Catch you on film this second.
Yeah, it's on film.
Okay, I'm letting go now. I realize, okay. Yeah, okay. It's gone bottom top.
That's the ride you were scared of?
Hey, I know.
We're not going on this one. Boo. He just ran by. It's a screaming child. It doesn't do anything? Oh, it does. Push down. It's gonna be 5 seconds, come on.
5 seconds of absolute horror.
Did you have fun?
I had a great time.
Do I look like that now?
Your eyes are like red and your face is pale.
Yay. That means it was fun.
How do I look? Yeah, I'm not sitting on this, so I mean, you guys can do it.
fast?
I had a burger from the boys, and then I went home. And that was with a full charge, like maximum capacity, like 80. I heard you guys talking about like the happens to have like these. So like if you want a quick
That was great.
Hey guys, we're back. What up? We just made out that. What else can we go on?
Go give it the place.
whatever you guys want. That's birthday.
It's finally quiet.
You guys aren't gonna like this, so it's peppermint.
All the
You
stuff.
can like get that stuff anywhere.
Can you get the special stuff? What?
It's all hot pickles. Or you want something else? Whatever you want, okay? Ignore the light and heavy system that happened all 10 years ago.
There's a system to this stuff.
There's a system.
The hall. Careful, don't trip, guys. Wow, snow in California. All over your head right now. There's some on your eyelash. There's Imagine you're allergic to soap. Like a certain type of soap. That'd be so funny.
No, it's bubbles.
Yeah, soap is made of bubbles.
It's not soap.
I mean, bubbles is made of soap.
Most of the snow.
It's a snow, guys.
Wow.
You just have to believe, Lilyth. Woo!
Very good. Okay, what was it like to meet Snoopy?
It felt so awkward.
I love you. He fist bumped him too. I didn't get it.
I was gonna try to fight it.
Where's Beck? I want to see Beck. Oh, Beck is down there. Is he supposed to go up? Oh, he's trying, I think. He looks scared.
He looks so uncomfortable.
No, he's smiling a little bit. He doesn't like heights. He's kind of scared. Beck, how was it?
Good job. Arka, back. Lucy.
It's time to go. We're going.
And from everyone here at Knott's Berry Farm, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Enter the vehicle.
You found a sticker? Yeah. What kind?
AirPods.
Of AirPods, great.
Guys,
I thought it was a Knott's Berry Farm sticker.
back.
Oh, she's crying. How's she doing? So far, this is what he got for the 8 days. Some pancakes, some people. Let me see.
You can have a helicopter here. Guy with cookies.
Yeah.
And the piano. Right here.
Oh, that's so cool.
I know, it has a geisha on it. I know. I wish it was though.
First.
These guys are building right now.
There we go. So you can do it. He didn't know if he could do it by himself.
Oh, he can.
Because he's the smartest blind. It's his helper.
How much?
Who's giving
What's
him
the
everything.
age of it?
Maybe there's some smart coordinating.
4+. Yeah,
Okay,
you can do
okay.
it. You got this. Our amazing pizzas. Birthday pizza. Is it good, guys?
Yes.
Yep.
I know. So tell me, Beck, how was today?
Good.
Good? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite ride?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Probably all of them.
All of them? How many rides did you guys go on? We split up for a little bit.
I don't know.
You don't remember?
I remember going on 3, then like 2 more I think. I think we went 5.
Today was so
I
fun.
don't know.
Did you see the roller coaster that we went on?
No. I didn't see any of them.
No, I mean like the video.
Yeah.
Was it crazy?
Oh, I didn't see one video.
But did you see the blue roller coaster? Do you remember seeing that one?
Yeah, I saw one.
It was crazy. Huh?
Yeah.
Would you go on it?
No.
Would you go on it for $5?
No.
10?
No.
Million?
No.
Oh, I would. I'd go on it for 5. It was so much fun. Oh, but with roller coasters, it's the fact that I can't. I mean, I don't think anyone can. You go on 2 or 3, and that's pretty much it. Like, you're maxed out. Like, I can't imagine going all day and just like spinning around and doing all this. Oh no, I'm a few times and then I'm done, which was good because not our time limit, but the time that we got there to the time that they closed, we got enough rides in us. Huh. So much fun. Thank you to Beck for this beautiful opportunity to have some fun today. And then especially him. Happy birthday to this boy with him. And we got pizza out of it too. Can you believe that? Pizza and roller coasters. It was a pretty good day. So thank you guys so much for coming with us on that journey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Knott needs to write down below because I remembered to say it. Comment, please. Say hi. Say hi to me. Say hi to them. Anyways, thank you for watching. We'll see you very soon. Bye.
Bye.